required is going to be a T25 with an extension. We're going to be removing 4 bolts, 2 on this side, 2 on this side as well. Move the screws up and over. You can place it right here by the coolant reservoir. And then remove our filter. And we come in and inspect our box. Sure everything else is clean and working properly. And we install our new filters. Remember when installing your intake air filters to have these lines run parallel in the housing. Go ahead and align your box. Go ahead and start installing your screws. Remember 2 on this side,